Alright, so in this video I am finding another project on Makerworld. It's this Spidey Disc Launcher and as you'll see there's a lot of little parts and pieces. It's not too hard, it's not hard to put together, but it's hard to get it to function properly, and I had some trouble getting it to function properly. The creator actually suggests using like PTFE lube or graphite from a pencil, with the lube being better, which is what I tried. And I still had trouble getting it to function properly. It's got these little plastic discs that it shoots out, and it just seemed like the plastic wasn't strong enough to get the little disc to shoot out, and it uses filament as the hinges, and what ends up happening on mine is one of those filament hinges is just not strong enough and it breaks. So ultimately I ended up trashing it, but here you go, take a look. I took 3 build plates. It was just easier for me to do it that way, and I did each one in a different color instead of having all the different colors on the same plate and then having to switch out filaments and all that stuff. So we get them all printed out and start assembling it. I'll speed it up because it's kind of boring, so here you go. So at this point it's all assembled, and you can see right there, that point right there, there's a piece of filament that hinges it, and there's a little slider inside of there that's supposed to push that little blue plastic disc through the little spring mechanism, but it just seems like the spring mechanism is so tight that the little hinge, it can't handle all the force you have to put on it to try and get it to shoot. So I tried. This was actually the second time I printed it, and the second time I threw it in the trash. So there you go. If you like it, if you like video like this, want to see more, like and subscribe. I promise it'll get better.